most of times, you ask yourself that what really makes people's strings or worship become very, very, very nice and beautiful, like sound so powerful. Stay tuned, let me teach you most important things that will always make your strings and your worship play very, very powerful. Like this video, press on the subscribe button if this is your first time. Press the notification bell, let's learn. Let's dive into this simply. Let me start with the key we are playing is F sharp, right? So this is it. So the first thing that makes strings powerful, as I'm playing, I'm teaching the song that I'll be teaching you, so follow me. Okay, yes, don't forget to call me on 0541 931 054 193 if you really want to become a good organist, you want to play very well. Like, I'm going to take my time and take you through and help you play very well. Don't be scared of the keyboard once you are with Dr. Strings. The next semester, God bless you. So this has a very simple progression, but let me teach you how to add some things to make it powerful. That is B, then it comes to so it comes to so now. So the first thing that makes every worship play very nice is one, your tone settings. Are you using the right tone settings? So you see how mine is sounding, and I'll add to it let's say 1B is how the strings is flowing, like it's flowing. Wow, you see, strings has to flow. It doesn't have to be something like this. No, let it flow. You see, let Bonnie Sanya like put it in your mind like you are playing like the same thing. like when you are listening to somebody's own. So it has to flow. Don't be interested in only the passing chords. Let it flow. So if it's a do that you are press it well, and let's go. You see, I've not removed my hands. It's so low. They come to so this one brings us to the second note. That is the legs. The legs that the riffs and the legs that we do in the worship. Do it at the right time. Learn the powerful riffs, the best riffs, and do it at the right time. Now let me teach you this. Now this. So you see, these are do, so. Now I can play to, so to, me for to. So I can play to, fa, now sir, instead of playing tone, I play this. You see? Do it and let me see. Then you play taller. Then hold it. Get this only here. Hold it. So you see, la, di, re, mi. Here's the best. So instead of to, fa, re, to, la. Then instead of going to fa, you go to re. You can play the upper re. Feel like go for you. Let's go to Oyo Nyamia. So this is second good. This is second point, okay. Or you could have played the normal tone. Oyo Nyamia. So let me teach you the difference. The difference is this tone fa is more Pentecostal, right? Fa, re, so now if you really want to play strings very well, make sure you follow your left hand very well, because yes, the right hand just know the chord and that's it, right? So this is tone fa, go the famous song. This is more like Pentecostal than Pentecostal, right? And this one is more of like, it's also Pentecostal, but it's more different, right? It's like it's playing another thing, not deeply Pentecostal, but playing a lick to make the strings very powerful, but the right lick, right? So that's the difference. So you have to also know the differences in the licks that you are playing, and I have different kind of licks that are, you see, some people, you learn licks, you learn passing chords, you don't know what it means, you don't know how and when to use it, which kind of people are singing this song, and what do I have to use for them. You don't know all these things. You just want to stand up and let your strings become just powerful. It doesn't work like that. So please, you have to learn very well. You can learn these licks I've taught you. I'm going to also teach you, give you the next point, then we are done. But please, if you really want to learn keyboard very well and play it very well, see, my policy is, if you are doing well, you can do it well by getting the right tuition. Call me right now on 054 193 1255 054 193-1255. Wherever you are in this one, I'm going to attend to you one-on-one. Seriously, we are going to build your strength. Within a few days, you're going to play powerfully, just as amateurs are doing. Just call me wherever you are in this world, and let your strength, let your keyboard, your praise, everything become powerful. Let keyboard become easy for you. All I need you to do is call me and let's humble ourselves. Let me teach you how to do it, and you're going to play very well. Stop struggling, please. God bless you. Stop struggling whilst there's way, okay? So you can you see. So this is more like Pentecostal. All of them are powerful. Know when to play it. The last point is, please know and understand the song very well. Yes, understand the song very well. Is this a Pentecostal song or is it a normal worship song that everybody sings some? So that you know the right kind of chords and movement to use for it. This is very important. Knowing the particular song and know the approach that you want to play it. Is it the Pentecostal way or the normal regular way? So that you know how to even choose your passing chords, as I said in point 2. Alright, so understand the song very well and know how you want to use it. Most of us watching us don't even have progress, don't know how to follow songs. Talk less of even using the Pentecostal one or the maybe all other patterns. So you can call me. Let's build that 054-193-1255. But it's really important, right? So let's work on that too. I'll break that down for you. Press on the subscribe button. I'm going to teach you more. 054-193-1255. God bless.